So your reproductive system holds on to your feelings around sexuality. And again, we see so much of this coming out and so much confusion that it's happening around what is healthy sexuality. For me, what does that look like? And again, because I've had, teenage children, from early on, I had many conversations with them about respecting their body as their temple, really respecting it and going, you need to honor your body, not just, and your sexuality, and really become friends with it and understand it, as opposed to use it in a way that it hurts you, right? And I think that education, especially if you have children, is vital. It's vital, teaching your children to honor their body, but you can't really do that unless you show that to them, right? You've got to show that to them. And of course, this area, it holds when there's been painful experiences and abuse, and so many people have experienced this by now, in where the kind of society we live in. And so we literally so we have guilt, and guilt can look like a black ball of energy, and we'll just push it down into our reproductive systems, and all the shame, and we just push it down, and we just kind of try and disassociate from it. And then all sorts of activities happen based on that. And again, this is a really, really strong opportunity. Each part of the body gives you this amazing opportunity for knowing yourself and healing your life, right? And having a different type of life, which means a different point of view.